Giant fan? Because of Daddy? She's a Cowboy fan.
I'm not.
Bath time is great than sours.
Yeah. Bath time is very fun. We get to play with the bubble. Toys are so much fun when we get to play in the bathtub.
The bar of soap is boring.
Yeah.
So doing a fun of soap.
Yeah, like that one that's in Mom's
So
hand.
now let's get into this video. So I'll pause.
Subscribe, like, and hit that bell.
Skittle kids, skittle kids, skittle kids, skittle kids, skittle kids.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing squishy soap.
Today we're doing Bathbomb.
Yeah, bath time awesome.
And when we get home, we're gonna use a bath.
Time for instructions.
It looks like a sticker, but it is a sticker. I'll open it. Look, this is like.
Step 1. Grab 1 bag of colorful white flour and pour it into the bowl. It's gonna be fun.
Ah! Hey!
Uh-oh.
Pretty powdery.
Step 2. Pour the full amount of liquid soap into the same bowl.
I will mix.
I will mix.
I got it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Got it in.
Now time to mix.
Wow, it looks so yellow.
Well, she splashed it. It's an egg doodle. It's an egg doodle.
A lumpa egg.
Step 4. Now it's time to use our hands.
Do it now. With 3, 2, 1.
You got it to feel like pizza dough. It's about a half-inch thick.
It's time to use the cookie cutter.
Three,
3, 2, 1.
Time to pop it out.
Oh, look, guys.
It looks like a planet with a circle around. Satin.
I'm going to try to make a second soap. I'm smashing the dough.
Now it's time to steam the soap. We're gonna steam it.
Now it's time for the bath bomb.
Let's open it. It says mix.
Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1.
They both look the same, but they're more different. Because these different words.
When I smooth my mouth, it comes in my mouth.
Yuck. Okay, there's a lot of powder over here.
Wow.
This is our hand gonna get very powdered. Who sums this one? Who sums this one?
I got blue.
I got purple.
I got pink and pink. And 1 teaspoon of spoon.
I'm just gonna pour a little bit.
Try to make pink. I'm gonna make pink if you put a little.
How did you say whole bag?
How can I just say just?
It's supposed to be blueberries.
Not glitter!
I'm making glitter bath bombs. I'm making
Okay.
Mommy, we open it with our hands.
Whoa, look how sparkly it is.
Now mix.
Just like it's
This is making it's so sparkly.
Blueberry.
Cotton candy.
Blueberry.
Cotton candy.
Hey, yours are blueberry.
Well, it smells like cotton candy.
It's sparkly.
I'm putting all of it so it can be extra bubble.
Wait a second. It's changing colors in mine.
Wow!
It's changing its color. I'm just gonna put a little bit more drops.
It's pink. This is actually pink.
Ooh, this one.
It smells like blueberry.
Just add a little water. I have to keep missing while it's fizzing. We just let fizz.
Well, it's not fizzing.
Mine are fizzing.
Mine are not.
Fizzer up, fizzer up, fizzer up, fizzer up. It's fizzing more. It's fizzing more. Ah! Ah! Now millions of fizzes. Stop! Fizzling! It's fizzling! Time to put them in the molds. Okay, guys, let's do it. You gotta close it up really hard so it'll be nice and neat. Feels good. Mine are great. Now you have to wait for them to dry. Here they are, they're finished. Here they are, they're finished. 2 hours later. It took a long time. Mine look like a lemon head. Mine look like sweet pea from Popeyes. I press it and press it. I cannot wait to use this later because it's supposed to look exclusive, guys. This is going to make bathtub fun! This is a nice, squishy soap. The decorations don't work. But we can draw it. Let's get our markers out. We're going to color it at home so it can put colors all over the bathtub. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's white.
I got squishy. I messed it up, so I gotta go in the garbage.
Now let's take it out. I cannot wait for bath time today. Because we're going to bath today. And see if this works. And we use the other one.
I want to have a bath right now.
Guys, it's nighttime. Now we're gonna do our fun. This one's mine. Mine's where it fair. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna take it off the plastic. Now I'm gonna put it in. Ah, this is so amazing! It's blue.
It's supposed to be fizzy, but it's not. Look how dark it is.
Let's still turn blue. Let's still turn blue.
Now it's time the ones that we brought for started from Target. Now it's time to drop it in.
Let's
see what happens. This is making bath time fun. Feels like.
Mom, my turn. Now this is not to show you what happened.
Do not say the word.
What is? Wah! It's getting blue. It's turning green. It's fizzing.
I broke it. I just broke this.
Oh, man.
Mom, it's fizzing. Look.
I broke it again. I broke it again.
It's not fizzing,
but it's just being turning pink.
And turning blue. Oh, I look like Kool-Aid.
Mine looks like cotton candy.
The bathtub No, the bathtub looks like juice.
Can I believe this is soap?
Can you believe this?
And rope.
Mommy, I love this. Thank you. These are just some extra pieces. These ones are fizzing. Yeah. Let's try a squishy soap. It's so squishy already. So good.
Yeah, it feels
so
squishy.
squishy. It feels like cheese.
It feels like cheese.
It's my squeezes. Mine are squeezy squishy. Mine were squeezy squishy too, but I broke it. Mine were.
Now the bathtub they look like flow.
Wait, what's this?
Yeah, the throw This hope is also a Avengers tattoo.
Ant-Man's gone. Look, these are definitely gone. Well, Captain America's almost gone.